Good morning, dear children. Welcome to Standard 3rd subject Moral Science. Last class we revised Chapter 1 Respect your father and your mother. Today we are going to revise Chapter 2 One God Different Names. Once a foreigner came to a village in North India. The man was very thirsty and he wanted to drink a glass of water. He asked a person who was passing by, "Can I get a glass of water to drink?" The person did not understand anything and simply stared at the foreigner. "Water, water," replied the foreigner. By that time, a few more people gathered there. One of them went to the Englishman, talked with him, and finally told his friends he is asking for pani, water. "Oh, pani, pani," repeated the people and gave him a glass of water. Now the Englishman learned that pani is the word of water. He continues his journey and reached one of the village in Kerala. There he asked a person, "Hi, can I get some pani?" But the person did not understand what he was asking. A man standing nearby said that he is asking for vellam. Vellam is the Malayalam word of water. And they gave the Englishman water to drink. The Englishman then continued his journey and reached Tamil Nadu. There he asked for vellam. But nobody gave him water because they did not understand what he was asking for. Showing some justice again, the Englishman asked for water. "Oh, he is asking for thanni," they told each other, and gave him water to drink. What a funny story, but it teaches one important message. The water is same everywhere. People use different words for it. The same water becomes thanni in Tamil, vellam in Malayalam, and pani in Hindi. We cannot ask which is better, water or pani, because it means the same thing. Similarly, God is one. People call him by different names. We have different religions in our country. There are Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikkim, Jainism, Judaism, and Parsi religions. People belong to different religions, worship God according to their culture and customs. Each one of them has their own God and their own holy book. God of the Hindus of Krishna and Rama. Hindus also believe in many other gods. The God of Muslims is Allah. Christians worship Jesus as God. Likewise, each religion has got their own gods and goddesses. We should respect the gods of all religions because the God is called by different names. God is one and the same, so it is nameless to fight in the name of religion and God. We must love people belong to every religion because they are our brothers and sisters. In India, there are people belong to almost all religions, but we are all Indians. We should respect and love other religions and respect their gods. No religion teaches to hate others. All religions teach us to love and help each other. In our school, there are students belong to different religions. They are all our friends. We should help and love them. Let us remember we must respect all religions. All religions teach us to love and help each other. Exercise. Write true or false. That English traveler did not get water from the North Indian village because he did not know the word pani. It is true. Different people use different words of water. True. God is one and the same everywhere. True. Where should fight with? We should fight with the people of other religions. False. We should love people of our religion only. False. We have to love every religion and all our brothers and sisters. Answer the following. Why did the English traveler find it difficult to get water in the North Indian village? Second, what is the message of the story of the English traveler? Give the names of some of the religions of our country. Why should we respect the gods of our religions? This all the question answer. True or false? Read the lesson well and study. Okay, this is homework. You have to revise it. This lesson, second chapter. Okay, thank you, children.